This is a TecPlot data file used by engineers and scientists. It contains fluid dynamics data. You need the TecPlot 360 viewer to make sense of the numbers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. If you frequently deal with unusual TEC file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. The TEC format operates strictly under the rules set for the data file category. It is an optimized version of the TECkit Compiled Mapping File specification. The TEC file type can refer to a technology file used in integrated circuit IC design software. It stores the rules, constraints, and process layers necessary to physically lay out and manufacture a chip design. Used by electronic design automation, EDA software vendors, e.g. Cadence and Synopsys. The design is a proprietary definition of the manufacturing process, including layer names, minimum feature sizes, and design rule checking, DRC parameters. The industry standard application for TEC is considered to be TECkit from SIL International. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows can show basic details, but full interpretation requires the software that uses the data. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your TEC file and select Open with. Test TECkit if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the TEC file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the application couldn't handle the TEC file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is a Tecom project file, security system, or a tone configuration file. Next, use the original app. If Tecom, open the file using the Tecom GE Security Commander software. Finally, open as text. If the file is simple, open it in a text editor, Notepad, to view the configuration settings. When all local options fail, we can skip further guesswork and go straight to the proven solution. The fix is the Universal File Viewer, the specialized tool to try for cases like this. Your one-click TEC fix is ready. Simply use FileMagick. It opens virtually any file instantly. FileMagick.com has the download. Download the recommended utility using the link provided. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.